Ferrari has released its first concept car for the famous Gran Turismo game. The Vision Gran Turismo is a futuristic single-seater powered by a more extreme V6 than the one installed in the recently launched Ferrari 499p. Ferrari decided to launch a virtual model for the famous Gran Turismo game on the 75th anniversary of the launch of the first Ferrari 125s racing car in 1947. The virtual vehicle has the number 75 written on its flanks to celebrate that vehicle. Even though it's only a virtual car, Ferrari gave it almost the same attention and importance as a real one. The design was created by Ferrari Centro Style under the direction of Flavio Manzoni. It is inspired by the legendary 1960s and 1970s sports prototypes that recorded tremendous success in the 24-hour Le Mans and Daytona races. The Vision Gran Turismo Virtual Racer is powered by the new 3-liter V6 turbo with a 120-degree angle, used in the 296 series and the new 499p. However, unlike the 296 GTB, the engine has been modified to give extreme performance, delivering 1,016 horsepower at 9,000 RPM. In addition, 322 horsepower are provided by 3 electric motors, 1 for the rear axle and 2 powering the front wheels. Furthermore, Ferrari has worked with Gran Turismo to ensure that the engine's superb sound is accurately reproduced. The suspension has been designed to provide perfect contact with the virtual road surface and optimum traction to transmit the enormous 1,100 Nm of torque delivered by the combustion engine and the electric MGU-K motor to the rear axle. In addition, the car features F1-inspired hybrid technology that has made vehicles such as the 296 GTB and SF90 Stradale extremely efficient. Ferrari's virtual supercar weighs only 1,250 kilograms, accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 2 seconds, and reaches over 350 kilometers per hour. Moreover, it covered the Fiorano circuit in a record time of just 1 minute 10 seconds. A full-size model will be unveiled on December 15th at the Ferrari Museum in Maranello and will be displayed alongside the current one-off models exhibition until March 2023.